Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the vertical shooting mode on your DJI Osmo Action 6. In order to do it, you can do it in two different methods. If either physically rotate your camera before starting recording, then it'll switch itself to the vertical mode, and now once you start recording, it will record in vertical. Or you can also record with horizontal orientation of the device by sliding up from the bottom of the screen, then finding this button right here and setting the aspect ratio to portrait. Now, as you can see, it does record in portrait even though it is being held in the horizontal position. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.